Dallas, 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 Dallas. Lorenzo Hotel. Yeah. Look at the carpet. It has William Shakespeare writing on it. This is the exact passage that I had to learn in acting school, which I think is crazy. At UL Lafayette, Louisiana. I learned this whole thing. Had to learn this. And we had to cite it during meditation. It's the to be or not to be. William Shakespeare. So they have that on the carpet. That's about facing difficult life choices. Right. Now look at that. That's cute. And this is really cute too. Look at that paintbrush on the ceiling. Wow. It's for very artsy people. Hey, how y'all doing? I just drove almost 5 hours here. 5 hours. Press-ons, as always. But your girl is hungry, so I'm gonna go down to the restaurant. I think they have a restaurant here in the hotel. I'm gonna go down here and grab a bite to eat. This is the bathroom. I have a coffee area. I did bring some Louisiana wine just in case I didn't want any of the drink options. There's my wine there, so got it in there. I had it in my Yeti cooler, which it kept it pretty cool in this. My client bought me this nice cooler. And this is the bathroom. Pretty basic, pretty basic. I love the shower. I thought that moved. It doesn't move. But very clean, very clean. Yeah, downtown Dallas near Deep Ellum. Just a good location. Parking was $20. It's $20 per day. So you can pay it from your phone as soon as you park. You can scan it and pay it. So now we're about to go to the restaurant downstairs. Look at this. I think this is cute and cool. Her. And I think this is the area here that you can like do luggage or something. Very unique. It's artistic. Artistic. So let's go and grab us a bite to eat. This is our view. I think they're doing construction here, and I would like to know what this means here. Let me take a picture of it. But yeah, they're doing construction here, so let's see. This is my view. There's the ball over there. And yeah. So I'm gonna go and grab me a bite to eat. I have a little cash in my pocket. Let's see what I do with it. I'm gonna forget my card. And probably my ID. Yeah.
Well, the kickoff is because of the World Cup, so we gave them
Just got back to my room, y'all. I hate that this big construction thing is in the way. Oh my God, but I can see the buildings. I can see the traffic. I like some out of town air. Oh yeah. I like to see the buildings. So inspiring. It's a little dark in here. I'm gonna try to get some light in here. If I can find some. It's not too much light in here, other than on the side of the bed here. Let's see. Let's see if I can turn it on. There we go. It's not too much light. Jesus Christ. I'll just turn both of these on. Yeah, it's not a lot of light in this room. Come on. No more light in here. That has to be a light right here. But how did you turn it on? Right here? Yeah. Got some light there. And I'm gonna just turn all the lights on. Okay. My food was really good, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and say that. It was good. I ordered another one to go, which they're gonna make it closer to closing. Not right now. But yeah. I just got my shower. Now I'm watching a movie with my wine. I got my wine.
You are taking the leniency of this department way too far.
It comes with it. If not, that's fine.
No one's
Little fun fact, this is where Tina Turner ran to. The exact hotel she ran to, running away from Ike Turner, to seek refuge from the very toxic marriage. They have a photo of her here in the lobby. You can also rent an escape suite, the same exact room that she stayed in.